When you open ArcMap, what you get is a blank workspace. For some analysis, you may need a basemap. There are two ways of getting a basemap. One is through the Add Data button. You can click on the Add Data button and select Add Basemap. Or you can go to File, Add Data and click on Add Basemap. There are several options of basemap, and all these options are online features. To use any of these features, you should be connected to the internet. The common features that are used are imagery, street, National Geographic, and OpenStreet. The other options you can try out depending on your purpose. For this instance, I will select the imagery and click on Add button. Depending on your internet connection, it would take some time to load the map. And this imagery based map is a combination of several satellite images. I will zoom into a certain region . When using the base map, sometimes it is important to know the details of the satellite image you are using. For that, you can use the Identify tool. Click on the Identify tool button and click in any place you are interested in. So this will show you the details such as the resolution of the image, the accuracy, and the date on which the image has been taken. In this instance, the image has been taken in 2017. Let's zoom in further and focus on this part of the map. And you can see that there were some changes in this region. Let's use the Identify tool somewhere here and check the details. So this region is now represented by a satellite image which has been taken in 2019. So depending on the different location and also depending on the zoom level you are using, the image changes automatically. Let's zoom in further and you can see that this image has a very good resolution. It can have a resolution of about 1 meter and even better resolution in some places. This base map can be used in any map layouts you are creating as a reference, and also this base map can be used to take any measurements using the measurement tool. However, this base map cannot be used for any complex analysis purposes because this is an online feature.